Alright guys, if you guys are just tuning into this channel for the first time, I'm Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, your Las Vegas realtor, connecting you to the Las Vegas housing market. If you have not had a chance to subscribe to this channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also give me a thumbs up, it helps out the algorithm. Other than that, let's start this tour. All right, guys, welcome to the Topaz model. So this model is one of the biggest models. It is 2,093 square feet. Property features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2-car garage. The starting price on here is $386,000. As you can see, as we come into the open floor plan here, the standard tile that comes with this is 18 by 18 porcelain tile. You do have the orange peel textures. And as you can see, it's completely in an open floor plan. The ceiling standard height on the second floor in this community is 9 feet. On the single stories is going to be 10 feet. Now coming into the kitchen here, standard, you do have the option with the granite countertops or the quartz countertops too as well. With the cabinets, you're going to get a standard 36-inch maple cabinet. Appliances, you're going to get the GE package appliances, stainless steel. That does not include the washer, dryer, and also the refrigerator too as well. All right, so there's a total of 107 lots within this community. Each setback for each lot is going to be roughly about 20 feet, just depending on which lot you pick and choose from. Also, there's going to be lot premiums anywhere from $4,000 to $20,000, so just keep that in mind. Now with this builder, you are going to have a 10-year warranty as well. There's a couple things that you need to be aware of. With this builder, the air conditioning unit, you're going to get a 14-SEER air conditioning unit too as well. Now let's go inside, let's see what are the things that come with this build. All right, so for the doors here on the standard, you're going to get 6'8" on the doors. You do have an upgrade option to a 8-foot door. Here we have the 2-car garage. Unfortunately, this is locked right now because this is being used as an office. But now within the garage, what you're going to notice, you're going to have the tankless water heater and the soft water loop, okay? Now let's go upstairs, let's take a look. All right, so within this model that they're showing you here, this banister right here is all an upgrade. You're going to have different options that you can do. Number one, you can have the open railing throughout the whole thing, or you can just do a pony wall. As far as the banisters, you have different options, different colors that you can pick and choose from. So one of the other options with this banister that you can do is you can have this as a pony wall, and this would be standard. You can open this up or leave it as a pony wall, and you do have that option too as well. But I believe that this is a better buy if you just keep this all open. It really exposes how open, and you bring in a lot of light, so I do like that. All right, now coming into the master bedroom. So the master bedroom is very large. This is a king-sized bed. One of the upgrades and the options that you do have with this build is this vinyl 10-foot slide. Another option that you can do with this builder is this full balcony here. Now coming into the master bedroom. So you're gonna have a couple options here on the master bedroom here. You can do the tub shower combo, but as you can see, this is a full upgrade. There's 2 parts on this upgrade. You have the structural upgrade. Once you do the structural upgrade, then you're going to go to the design studio. You're going to be able to pick your selections and also your options. Right here, we have a 36-inch countertop with the full quartz under-mounted sink. This is also an option too as well. Welcome to the Cedar model. The square footage on here is 2,004 square feet. You do have an option from a 3 to 4 bedrooms and also a loft too as well. 2.5 bath with a 2-car garage. The starting price on this model is $379,000. As you can see, we have 9-foot ceilings. Everything is nice and open. Again, the standard on the tiles here are going to be the 18 by 18. Let's take a look at the kitchen and some of the upgrades that they do have here. The upgrades, as you can see, we do have the 3 pendant lighting and the undermounted sink, the Blanco sink here as well, and the 36-inch cabinets, but these are full overlay cabinets, and this is an option that you can pick and choose from with the LED lights underneath the kitchen cabinets. Property does come with stainless steel appliances, GE. So in the living room, what you're gonna get is you're gonna get the Cat 6 and also the cable outlet here, and also the master as well. What you see is the 4-can lighting in here are gonna be the upgrades, and also the ceiling fan too as well. The air conditioning units is a 14-SEER air conditioning unit, and insulation in this home, I believe it's gonna be R13 and also R30 inside the attics. But you also do have an upgrade to those insulations too as well. Alrighty then. Okay, so in this model, as you can see, the railings are upgraded too as well. Typically what's gonna go here is actually a pony wall. All right, so now as we come to the second floor, standards are gonna be 9-foot ceilings on the second floor. As you can see, this is actually a loft. Now this loft, you do have an option to do a 4th bedroom, but I think your money's gonna go a lot further if you keep this as a loft. Now in the loft, you're gonna have your Cat 6 and also your cable outlet. Right here, you see a 10-foot slide here, a vinyl slide. This will be an upgrade, an option that you can pick. And you do have a balcony as well. This balcony will be an option. Coming down the hallway here, on the left-hand side, we do have the master bedroom. The master bedroom is a pretty standard size here. It looks like we are sitting around 15 by 12, but I'll have that in the links in the description below. All right, so inside the master bathroom here, you do have the fiberglass tub and standing alone shower. This looks like the standard features that do come with this model. The vanities are 36 inches with a full overlay and quartz countertops. These are fully upgraded. Remember, you're gonna have those selections and the options at the design studio. All right, welcome to the Jasper model. This property is 1,715 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths with a 2-car garage. The starting price on this model is $364,000. This is a single-story home. As you can see, the ceiling standard is going to be 10-foot ceilings. This is a completely open contemporary floor plan. One of the options that you're going to have here with the texture, you can do skip trawl, or you can do the orange peel texture. Standard baseboards are gonna be 2 inches on the baseboards. Coming in on the kitchen here, as you can see, the kitchen is open into the family room. You do have your island with your 2-inch quartz countertop. That is also an option too as well. You do have an option to do your cook countertops and also your 42-inch upper cabinets. Again, stainless steel appliances with GE, washer and dryer are not included, and also the refrigerator. Coming out to the back patio here, the standard, you're gonna have some pavers too as well. You do have an option to put alarm systems throughout each single window. I believe the gas stubs are also included as well. And don't forget, you're gonna get your 20 amp circuit breaker as well. Now let's come on down here. Let's take a look at the master bedroom. The master bedroom, as you can see, we do have a full-size king-size bed. This bedroom is probably gonna be around 15 by 18 square feet. Again, you still have the 10-foot ceilings. What I do like about this builder, what comes standard is the radiant barrier for energy efficient for your home. For the master bathroom here, your standard is going to be the tub shower combo fiberglass. However, as you can see, this is an option and an upgrade that you can do. Stand-up shower and also your private tub right here as well. All right, guys, let me know what you guys think about this video. If you guys want to see more video content like this, if you guys have not had a chance to subscribe to this channel, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Give me a thumbs up again. That definitely helps out the algorithm. Let me know in the comments below. Other than that, until next time, have a blessed day, guys. Time to pop some bottles. Ridgeview. All right, what's up, everybody? Another day, another video tour. So today we are here in a community called, we have 3 different models to choose from. You do have the Jasper, you have the Jasper, the Cascade, Jasper, Cedar. Take 4. Different colors and different styles. Well, we gotta do this shit over. So you have 2.5 baths, 2-car garage. The starting price on this home is $390,000, which is f***ed up. All right, welcome to the Cedar model. Well. I'm tripping. Get the f out of here. All right, so now we're here. So now we over here. All right, so now we. All right, guys, let me know what you guys think about this video. If you guys want to see more videos like this, go ahead and click on the link in the description below. Why would I click on the description and link below? Start all over.